How to connect Shopify to Facebook. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about how you can connect your Shopify to your Facebook shop in the easiest way in 2024. So, we're going to be talking about this in great depth and great detail, so please do make sure to fully watch this video all the way till the end so you can get the full idea and full repertoire of how you can connect your very own Shopify account to Facebook. Now, to start things off, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go right ahead and create an account for myself. So for that, what you're going to do is you're simply going to click on Start Free Trial. Now, once you click on Start Free Trial, it brings you here where it says, let's get started. Which one of these best describes you? So you could just be starting or you could be already in the selling business, right? So I'm going to go with I'm just starting. But if you're already in the selling business, you could tell them that, hey, I have a Facebook shop. Now they're like, what options do you use? Where do you actually sell your things? Now, if you have any other platform, you're going to let them know that it's another platform. Where would you like to sell? So, if you want to sell on an online store, you can do that. If social media, you could do that, because it is Facebook shop, it is social media. So, you can use that option for yourself. Now it says, what do you plan to sell first for yourself? Okay. So products I buy or make myself, that's an option. Then there's digital products, there's drop shipping products, and a whole lot more. So for now, I'm going to go with products I buy or make myself. Then comes your country and region. Obviously, make sure to choose the same country and region that you have for your actual Facebook account. And once you do that, we're just going to let it load in. And that is basically how you're going to create the account. You have set it up your account now. All you're going to do is just provide them with a proper email. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that in. Then you have your password. So I'm just going to add that in. And once you do that, you're simply going to click on enter. And there you go. Now it's just going to load you in. There's no verification. There's no two-factor authorization. You're good to go. You've created your account. So once we've created our account from here, what we're going to want to do is we're simply going to wait for this to load us into the actual dashboard, because as soon as we load into the dashboard, from there, we're pretty much set. Okay, from there, we are going to go ahead into the actual app market where we're going to be connecting our Facebook shop to this wonderful platform. Okay, so here it says your trial has started. Because obviously your trial is obviously now up and running. Now this trial will last you around 3 days, obviously, which is pretty good. It's pretty incredible. And it's a really good time to actually test out Shopify, to actually get to its roots, to get to its depths. So what we're going to be doing is I'm going to come over to my app market over here in my sales channel, basically, and I'm going to click on add apps. Now, once you go to add apps, from here, you're going to click on Shopify App Store. And once we go to our Shopify App Store over here, we're just going to wait for things to load up. And it brings me to my App Store like so. Now, once my App Store has fully loaded up, from here, what you are going to want to do is you're going to go ahead into the search bar. And in the search bar, what you are going to do is you're going to go ahead and write for yourself Facebook. Okay, just write Facebook. It's that simple. So once you write Facebook, it brings you here where it says Facebook and Instagram free to install. Now, obviously, we're going to go ahead and install it directly. So just click on install. Obviously, the developer is Meta. Meta's very own Facebook and Instagram channel that you can add on Shopify in the easiest way. So here, as you can see, it's loaded in. So I'm simply going to click on add sales channel and we are set to go. So once we do that, it basically takes us into this loading section where it's, simply going to load things for us. And as it's loading things for us, it's going to give us this. So drive more sales with Advantage Plus catalogs and ads. And you can increase your sales with personalized ads. You have personalizing ads, drive more sales, retarget visitors. So you're going to click on get started and it's going to give you this. So first of all, you're going to connect your Facebook account. Now, obviously, I assume you already have a Facebook shop set it up, okay? Because if you don't have a Facebook shop set it up, then connecting your Facebook account will not help you. You need to make sure that Facebook shop is already set it up. So you can actually come over here. And once you're over here, make sure that you have a professional account. And once you have a professional account, you can actually access the people at Meta. and create a professional shop from there. Now, once obviously my shop and my account is set it up, so from here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on create account, and as you can see, it starts loading in. It says, "Do we connect to this account?" And I'm gonna be like, "Yeah, sure. Go ahead and connect with that account." And in that account, obviously, it's gonna give you your different business accounts. So I have these two business accounts. I'm gonna go with this one because it's my main. And once we do that, it's gonna give us these things. So it says Shopify will keep your settings up to date with the most appropriate and effective ad technologies. So you can first of all choose your preference. So it can be conservative, enhanced, maximum. Then there's different things like customer activity data. This option shares your customer personal data, etc. So conservative gives you some ad performance and customer target improvements. Then there's enhanced, where you can use proven established methods for strong ad performance. And then there's maximum, where you can get the best possible results. And this setting is continually updated with Facebook's latest advertising technology. So I'm going to keep it on enhanced right now because I don't really want to go with two maximum outreaches. So once it's enhanced, now you're going to connect a pixel to actually track your customer behavior. Now, connecting a pixel is pretty fun as well because if you don't have a pixel, you will not be able to do your data sharing because through a pixel is how they're going to create it. So you're going to create a metapixel through this section if you don't have one. So once you create a metapixel, you're going to connect it. And once you do that, you're going to agree to all of this and you're going to submit your account for reviewing. So basically, now that your account is submitted for reviewing, you can actually start your Facebook shop over here. So you can start publishing your products just like this. So once you go into publishing your products, while you're publishing your products, obviously it's going to finalize your channel setup. Here it says run ads on Facebook and Instagram, and you can actually start running ads. And there you go. So make products available to Facebook and Instagram, and you can start selling your products on Facebook Shop that you have on your Shopify. So that's basically how easy it is. And you can literally add products manually. You can import them through a cascaded style value or comma style value sheet. And it's pretty simple. It's really easy to add these things for yourself. And you get a really good general idea of how things like these work for you. And then obviously, while you're getting an idea and concept of this, moving on, you are also going to want to go ahead and browse different sourcing apps, which is to find products to sell, which basically helps you to drop ship. So drop shipping is highly, you could say, encouraged on things like Shopify, Facebook. So drop shipping is highly encouraged on things like this. So do make sure to go ahead and start off some drop shipping as well if you want to, because drop shipping really helps a person with this kind of stuff. Okay. So once you've gotten an idea of this, once you've gotten a basic concept, and once you have understood how you are going to want to go ahead and work with this, from there, what you are going to want to do and what you're going to go ahead and do is just have a proper pixel developed and you're good to go. So that's pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.